Hey guys, this is an 8-inch chef knife from the Japanese company Keemake. Not sure if that's how you pronounce it, but they put such high quality materials into their knives. They have a bunch of different kinds. All of them though have this amazing fiberglass ergonomic handle. I love how thick this is. And then the actual knife itself is 67 layers of Damascus steel, which I don't quite understand how fine these layers are, but you can see it is fairly thick, but it is made of this steel that's this high carbon fiber that is just high quality. So this knife is gonna last, and it's perfectly honed, each edge between 12 to 15 degrees, which makes it that ultra sharp, which makes it great for cutting meats, vegetables, and fruits. So I'm just gonna demonstrate for you now with our chicken here. Just nice, like smooth, precise cuts. And I am not a chef here. I know nothing about this. All I know is I cook for my family at home. I don't have any skills with a knife, but I've never had a knife cut raw meat like this so perfectly and thinly. So if you're looking for an incredible high quality knife, this is an awesome option.